Today, I want to teach you how to play gospel hymns. We're going to be in the key of E major today. We're going to go through 3 different levels: easy, medium, and hard.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I can see.
All right, so that's level 1. Nothing too fancy. We're just accompanying the vocals. Don't want to do too much, okay? Level 2, we're going to be adding some chords, specifically this chord, the 3 dominant. And we're going to be adding the 4 dominant, as well as a couple other surprises.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I can see.
So the final step is to start adding diminished chords and some extra little runs, some little flourishes to embellish what the singer is doing.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I can see.
Thank you so much for tuning into Soulful Guitar Lessons. I will see you next time.